Solution to question number 1. The HCF of the smallest prime number. So smallest prime number is 2 and the smallest composite number is 4. So HCF of both of them will be 2 into 1 and 4 will be equal to 4 into 2. So the smallest power of the common factor. So HCF will be equal to 2. So the correct answer is B. Question number 2. LCM of two given numbers x and y, where y is a multiple of x. So when y is a multiple of x, x will be factor of y. X is what? X will be the factor of y. And in such cases, the bigger number, the larger value will always be LCM. So the answer over here is y. If two positive integers a and b are written as a is x cube y square and b is xy cube, where x, y are prime numbers, then HCF of a, b is, we need to find HCF. So HCF will be equal to a is equal to x into x into x into y into y. B is equal to x into y into y into y. Now take the common. HCF will be equal to, and 1 y will come. 1 y and 2 y's will be common. So the answer will be xy square. B is the answer. Question number 4. HCF of two numbers m and n is 18 and LCM is 1080. So HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. What is given to you? The HCF is 18 and LCM is 1080. And the value of m into n. So value of m is 90. You need to find the value of n. So n will be equal to 18 into 1080 divided by 90. 0 cancel हो गया. 9 into 2 is 18. So 108 into 2, 16, 1 and 2. So the answer is 260. Value of n is 260. B is the answer. The HCF of two numbers is 8. Which of the following can never be the LCM? We know the HCF should always be divided by the LCM. So we will check that with which number 8 is going to be completely divisible. 40 को देख लो तो 8 into 5 is 40. This is not the answer. 8 into 7 is 56. So this is again not the answer. Then 80 divided by 8 is 10. This is not the answer. So 60 is not completely divisible by 8 and hence D is the answer. Two alarm clocks ring their alarm at regular interval of 50 seconds. And 48 seconds if they beep together at 12 at what time does they beep again? So बहुत clear है यहाँ LCM निकालें. 40, 48 और 50 का LCM. अब इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे 2 into 2 into 2 to 3 to 5 5. So after you multiply you're going to get 1200 seconds. Now convert this 1200 seconds into minutes. What are we going to do? 1200 divided by 60. So you'll get 20 minutes. So the answer will be 12:20 p.m. If HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65m minus 117 and the value of m is, so इसको निकालने के लिए पहले हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? 65 और 117 का HCF निकालना पड़ेगा. $13 and 13 minus 13. So HCF कितना आ गया? HCF is equal to 13. It is given in the question. HCF of 65 and 117, it can be expressible in the form of 65m minus 117. That means the HCF of these two numbers is equal to 65m minus 117. तो क्या करेंगे? 65m minus 117 इसको इक्वेट कर देंगे 13 के साथ और m की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे. 13 plus 117. So 117 plus 13, 3 कितना आ गया 130. M is equal to 130 divided by 65. Answer कितना आ गया 2. So if A and B are two consecutive natural numbers, then HCF A B is. So कोई भी अगर दो consecutive natural numbers हैं, हमने ले लिया 7 8 या 6 7 कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो उनका HCF कितना होगा? So there is no common factor between them. So therefore the HCF only one is the common factor. So the answer will be 1. The product of HCF and LCM of the smallest prime number is 2, and the smallest composite number is 4. So the HCF of both of them will be 2, and then the LCM will be equal to 2 square. So therefore the product of HCF and LCM will be equal to 2 into 4, that is 8. So the correct answer is 8. Two co-prime numbers. So co-prime numbers होते क्या हैं? Those who have only one as their common factor. So कोई भी दो co-prime numbers हैं, हमने दो numbers ले लिए 5 and 7. So इन दोनों co-prime numbers का LCM कितना होगा? It will be equal to 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So the correct answer is the product of numbers. कोई भी दो co-prime numbers का LCM क्या होता है? उनका product. What is the HCF of two consecutive even numbers? Even कोई भी दो even number ले लेते हैं, 2 and 4 ले लेते हैं, तो इस केस में इसका HCF कितना आ रहा है? HCF will be equal to 2. अगर कोई दूसरे और नंबर अपन ने लिए, like 8 and 10 ले लिया, so 8 के फैक्टर्स क्या हो गए? 2 into 2 into 2, and 10 के फैक्टर्स कितने हो गए? 2 into 5. So HCF will always remain 2 of two consecutive even numbers. So the correct answer is 2. Question number 11. Next question, HCF of two consecutive odd numbers. कोई भी दो consecutive odd number ले ली, like 3 and 5, 7 and 9. So इस केस में देखते ही समझ में आ रहा है कि इनका HCF क्या होगा? HCF will be equal to 1. 2120 is expressed as the product of its prime factors we get. So 2120 का हम prime factorization कर लेते हैं. 2120 prime factorize करेंगे. B is the correct answer. Question number 13. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10 will be both inclusive is. So हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ 1 to 10 numbers का LCM निकालना होगा. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 is 4, 5, 3, 7, 2 5 is 10. Again 2 से divisible हो जाएगा. 3, 7, 2, 9 and 5. एक बार और हो जाएगा. अब 3 से करेंगे. एक बार और 3 से हो जाएगा. Then 5. और लास्ट में 7 से. So अभी जो नंबर है उनको सब मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे आपस में. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. 8 into 6 into 5 into 7. 8 6 of 48 into 30. 48 को 35 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So इन numbers को आपस में multiply कर लेंगे 2 into 2 into 2 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So जब इसको solve करोगे तो यहाँ आएगा 8 into 9 into 5 into 7. And after you solve this, you will get 2520. So the correct answer over here is 2520. Next question is in a Formula racing competition, time taken by two racing cars. A and B complete one round of the track is 30 minutes and P minute respectively. The car meet again at the starting point for the first time after 90 minutes and the HCF 30 and P. मतलब दो numbers जो given है वो क्या है 30 and P. So HCF is given is 15 and LCM given is 90. So LCM कितना दिया हुआ है 90 and HCF value given is 15 and one number given to us is 30. एक number हमको दिया हुआ है 30 and the value of P we need to find. So use the formula LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. LCM given is 90 into 15, 30 into P. So P की value कितनी आ जाएगी 90 into 15 by 30. 15 times 2 is 30. So the correct answer is 45 minutes. Two alarm clocks ring their alarm at regular interval of 50 seconds. And 48 seconds if they beep together at 12 noon, at what time does they beep again? So बहुत clear है यहाँ LCM निकालेंगे 40, 48 और 50 का LCM. अब इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 5. So after you multiply, you're going to get 1200 seconds. Now convert this 1200 seconds into minutes. What are we going to do? 1200 divided by 60. So you'll get 20 minutes. So the answer will be 12:20 p.m. If HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65m minus 117 and the value of m is, so इसको निकालने के लिए पहले हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा 65 और 117 का HCF निकालना पड़ेगा. -27, 13 and 13 minus 13. So HCF कितना आ गया? HCF is equal to 13. It is given in the question HCF of 65 and 117, it can be expressible in the form of 65m minus 117. That means the HCF of these two numbers is equal to 65m minus 117. तो क्या करेंगे 65m minus 117 इसको इक्वेट कर देंगे 13 के साथ और m की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे 13 plus 117. So 117 plus 13 3 कितना आ गया 130. M is equal to 130 divided by 65. Answer कितना आ गया 2. So the value of M is 2. So if you like the course today and you are able to understand, please like, share and subscribe this channel so that I can bring such kind of useful, more exam related questions for you every day. Thank you and take care.